So I bought this sphagnum peat moss and sphagnum moss. Did I just bought the same? I hope I didn't buy the same. Ojalá que no haya comprado dos de lo mismo. So we're gonna mix the moss in here. Mezclar los musgos, peat moss and sphagnum moss. Some water on it. A little bit of that one. There we go. Now we're gonna use these 2 pots for the Venus flytrap. Los dos para la Venus. Make a little nest. Come out like this. Salió así. And now we put it on this little dish. And you just water it. So the roots are not going to be touching the water yet, at least. All the excess of water is going to go on that dish. So now I'll do the same with the other one. Voy a hacer lo mismo con la otra. I'm going to do the last one now. Vamos a hacer la última, tiniest one. La más chiquitita.